Alright guys, so in this video we're going to see how to create a website chatbot and connect it to WhatsApp. So this is the website we're going to be using. Now let's say as a business you have a website and you also want to link a chatbot to your website. So you want your website visitor to be able to chat you, from your website, bring them to WhatsApp to have a conversation with you. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our dashboard. We're going to navigate to web chatbot. So click on web chatbot. So it's going to ask us to connect website. So to connect website, we have to click on connect website. So it's going to take us to create live chat widget. So click on create live chat widgets, and then of course we have to fill in this information. So let's give it, of course, a display title. You can call it website bot. So our website URL, let's go and copy, then let's come back here and then paste it here. So from here you can change the background or the themes, how you want it to look. This one is the theme background, white. You can change it to black. This is the theme text color, black. You can change it to any color you want. This is a chat bubble, that's the background. You can change it. You can also change the chat bubble text color. Here is where you can upload your logo, so your logo shows on the chatbot. So in this case, I think we can use let's upload the logo. Okay, let's add this transparent logo, and then also chatbot wallpaper. You can also change the background. You can change the font. So also you can change the position. If you want it to be at the bottom right, top left, anywhere you want it. So in this case, the most common is the bottom right. Yeah, bottom right. That's the most common position. So you can decide to allow the widget to be open or closed. If it's open, it means that they can just type any message they want. If it's closed, they have to click on the icon, then it shows them a typing field. So either way, you can choose to anyone you want. So you can leave this one like this. So this one is loading chatbot after 0 seconds. Of course, just leave it like that. So then click on you can enable. If you want people to upload any media, you can allow it, you can disallow it. So let's just click on connect. So this has been created successfully. Okay, so this is our web chat bot that has been created successfully. So from here we can copy the code and embed the code. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go to chat manager, click on WhatsApp bots, then we're going to come to where we have websites here, chat widget. So we're going to come to chat widget because that's what we want to create. So click on chat widget, click on create new. So it takes us to a flow. So this is where we'll build the flow that we want, right? So of course is WhatsApp short link. Here we can also do some customization, provide chat logo, some settings also here. So here also is message inside of the widget. So here is hi there, how can we help you? You can customize this to whatever a message that you want. So preview message also very important. This is what is going to trigger the chatbot. So you can type in any message you want there. Hi there, I need some information. You can leave it like that. You can change it also. The position of the chat position, you can choose any position. Like I said, bottom right is the most common. So you make it stay open. And you can also change any of this color, right? So also most important thing is you have to give it a reference number. So the system is going to be able to track that chatbot is coming from a particular website. You can give it any number. Let's just call this web chat 1. So we're going to click on save. Now after that is done, let's just click on. So let's give it a title, website bot. Then let's click on save. Now once they type that message, what's the first thing we want to send to them? let's welcome them. Welcome. You can address them by their name, and then we say welcome to, right? So save that message. You can continue the conversation, however you want. So you can type another message. Thank you. Save. Now what we're going to do is to save this. So once that is saved, now don't forget what triggers this message, this chatbot is this message. Hi there, I need some information. This is what triggers the chatbot. So whatever it is you feel here, that is what the customer is going to click on from the website and send to your chat, which automatically starts the bot. If you type in, let's say, hello, that is going to be what is going to be part of that message. So in this case, let's just leave it at I need some information, or we can change it to I want to make an inquiry. Let's just remove this part here. I want to make an inquiry. Yes. So we save it. Oh yes, now we have to update. Once we mention this to this particular configuration, we have to make sure we change the reference. So we save it again, then we'll save it here also. So that is done. Now the next thing for us to do is to go back here. If we reload this, our chat widget is going to be here now. So this is it. Now we need a code to embed so it displays on our website. Now what we can do is let's get embed code. Click on get embed code. Just copy this code here. This is what we need. This code is what we need. That's what we're going to be embedding on our website. So let's go to our website. Then let's log in into our website. So you can do this in two ways, right? Let's say you have somebody who manages your website, right? You can get this code and then you send it to them. Tell them to help you embed the code on the website. So of course they'll be able to do that. So that's the two ways that you can do that. Or if you have access to your website yourself, you can just log in and then you open up which page you want that chatbot to be. Whichever page it is, you can just embed it on that page, So, but the most important thing is you have that code. The code is what you can embed. You have to embed so that the widget appears on the website. So in this case, I'm trying to navigate to the back end of that website to be able to integrate that code. So that's why we are going through all of this. I'm just going to quickly just navigate. So once that is done, so like I said, you don't need to go through all of this, right? Once you have your code, just send it to your developer or your website manager. Just ask them to help you install it, right? They already understand what they need to do. So in this case, let's just this is what I'm looking for. So now I'm logged into the back end of the website. Now what I need to do, I need to open up the website. Of course, the home page. This is where the customers are landing, right? So you want your widgets to be here. That's the first thing, so that they can see it. So now let's just click on edit. So this is where I'm going to be pasting my code. So once it loads up, we are going to paste the code here. Let's just go back and copy the code again. Okay, let's go back here. Let's copy the code again. Then let's go back. So here. So once it loads up, we're going to see how we can paste. So it's loading. Like I said again, you don't have to go through all of this, right? Just create your widget, get your code, hand it over to your developer, and then of course give them instructions on which page you want them to place the widgets. If you want them to put it on all the pages, yes, fine, you can do that. And if you want them to put it on a particular page, you can also do that. So in this case now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add a new section. Yes, so I'm going to look for the code, so short code, HTML code, sorry. So just paste it, drag it here. So this is where we're going to paste that code we copy. So as you can see, it's already showing here, right? So we just have to click on publish. All of this, of course, it's the work of your developer or your website designer. They already know how to do this. So let's go back now. Once we go back, let's go to our website. Let's reload this website. So as you can see here, it's currently there, right? Our website widget is live and connected. So if any customer is on your page, right, and they want to chat with you, they can just click on this, right, and then they can say, how can we help you today? Start chat. So once they start chat, this takes them, it opens up your WhatsApp, their WhatsApp, right? And of course, it opens up your profile so they can chat with you. So in this case, we're going to just test this by allow. So it's going to open up WhatsApp and then of course open your profile. So as you can see here, this is the profile here. As you can see, I want to make an inquiry. That's the message we added there. It's already here. So from here, we can just click on send. Of course, the customer is going to click on send because that message is already pre-filled. As you can see, hi, welcome, how can we help you? Thank you. So from here now, you can continue the conversation from here, right? Whatever it is you want them to do, you want them to buy a product, you want to show them price, you want to offer them support, whatever it is you want to do, you can always guide them. As long as they are here on WhatsApp, you can control the conversation, right? So you can see the journey, right? From your website, right? Straight to WhatsApp. So this is how to create and connect your websites with